The digestion process starts in the mouth when one is chewing. The food then passes through the GI tract where it combines with digestive juices, causing large particles to be broken into smaller molecules. The body absorbs these smaller molecules through the walls of the small intestine. These go into the bloodstream and they're then delivered to the rest of the body. The waste products go through the large intestine and come out of the body as excrements.
The first positive feedback loop used in order to digest your food starts when you take a bite. While chewing, your saliva breaks the food into pieces. Next, you swallow the food, which goes through your throat and esophagus. After that, it reaches the stomach. The stomach has strong muscular walls which hold acid and helps break down the food even more. This leaves it in a liquid paste form. This is an example of a positive feedback loop because the process keeps going until you are full. An example of a negative feedback loop in the digestive system is when the gastrin in the stomach regulates the pH levels to make sure the pH stays at a certain level.
Some bacteria or internal toxins making their way to the gut up to 72 hours after eating the opening meal. The bacteria replicate and produce toxins quietly to avoid the detection of the body's immune system. These bacteria invade and penetrate the gut lining, setting off a strong immune response, which is the release of pro-inflammatory cytokines protein, causing gut inflammation and swelling, leads to discomfort.
When there's toxins and bacteria in the digestive system, the body is either prevented from absorbing the correct nutrients and water, or it absorbs too much. This means that the body has to get rid of everything in the bowel as quickly as it can so that it can absorb nutrients properly. When the toxins interact with the stomach, serotonin receptors in the stomach and small bowel interact with the chemicals produced by the bacteria or toxin, such as cereulide, which further stimulates the vagus nerve and sends signals into the brain. In the brain, specifically in the medulla oblongata, the condition of the stomach is evaluated and a signal is sent back down, telling the body to release the fluids. This reflex mechanism is known as the gastrocolic reflex. This reflex can happen in two different ways. This results in vomiting or diarrhea. Other symptoms include bloating, gagging, indigestion, nausea, flatulence, or stomach cramps.
To avoid dealing with this nasty sickness, make sure all foods you eat is properly stored and cooked thoroughly.
If you do end up sick, make sure you stay near a bathroom and drink lots of water and food to make up for all the lost nutrients.
The only thing you should do to get better is wait it out. But if blood becomes involved, be sure to call your doctor.
Be careful with the food you eat.